welcome to a tutorial on Black Sabbath's Iron Man riffs. Let's see how we go. Come in, here we go. Now, very first thing at the beginning, we're going to hit the open E. But before we do that, we're going to push just here. I know it seems ridiculous, but it's true. And we're going to go. Etc, etc. So basically just push really hard and release slowly and you get the sound. Riff A. We're going to play this at the 2nd fret. You could play this at the 7th fret if you liked. We just liked having the extra note underneath. So we can play a B5, but we can put an F sharp underneath to get a humongous sound. So we've got B, D, then you hit D again, slide to E. Then we go up to G. Slide to F sharp, hit G again, slide to F sharp, hit G again, and then we're going to go to D, and then D, E, E. So the whole thing is, I'll shout the frets out, 2, 5, 5, 7, 7, then 10, 10, 10, 5, 5, 7, 7. That's the whole riff. And then he plays a single note riff when Aussie starts singing. So we've got 7, 10, 10, 7, 7. Okay, easy peasy. It's exactly the same notes as before. We've got B, D, D, E, E, G, F sharp, G, F sharp, G, D, D, E, E. Alright, that runs around a few times. And then we get to what I like to call Riff B, the cunningly titled Riff B. We've got so what we're doing is we're playing B, B, 7, 7, 5, 7, 6, 5, 5, 5. That's twice. The third time we play. And then we loop around to riff A. Okay, cool. Right, then nobody wants him, unfortunately. So we've got an E. 2, 3, and 4, and 2. That's a D5. And then we've got this riff which starts off with a B5. Now you think chord, 7, 10, 7, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9. So be just counting if you go chord, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It'll be easy to count along with. So we're basically, that's that whole bit. The next one just before the solo, so it all loops around again and then we get back to this riff C, which is the Nobody Watson riff. And we get this. So we're going to get 11, 9, 11, 10, 9, 7, B5, C sharp 5. So, there you go. That is all the riffs, I think. Oh yeah. Yeah, so I've completely forgotten about this last riff. This is in kind of after the solo. There's a bit of a play out, and it goes 7, 5. Is that correct? No, it's on the 5th string. So we're just going to play 7, 5, 7. And then we're going to do a little trill, 5 to 7 to 5. This is on the A string. And then 4, 5, 4, 5, 4. And then finger on the A string. So you're going to get E, D, E, D, D, E, E, D, E, F sharp, G, F sharp, G, F sharp, D. So. There you go. And that's it. Thanks very much for watching. I'll see you next time. Subscribe to heaps more videos just like this one. Cheers. Alright, let's press some